so I'm in a new spot in South Florida, and it's a pretty dope spot. Look at this. So check this out. These, I believe, are pond apples, and they are all over the floor. So I'm in a new spot right now. I've kind of been driving around to different spots, looking for cool things waiting for cool things to pop up, but I ended up here, and I feel like this is a good spot. There's a plop, 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 plop sound that's happening, and I'm pretty sure it's from the lizards running on top of the water. It's actually pretty insane. There are just pond apples falling everywhere, man. Right. Try one of the pond apples. It tastes like straight soap. Woo! Oh, goodness. Right back. Ugh. Oh, there's a bunch of lizards just chilling, and every time they see me, they run. Look at that monster. Look at that monster. Look at that. Whoa. Jeez Louise. I totally have to plant this somewhere. Pond apples. I know they're native to South Florida, so we're chilling. Nothing invasive. Ginormous. This is the first time I've ever seen them like this too. It's actually amazing. There's a big old dookie right there. Alright, check it out. New place. Different day. In South Florida. I have 0 repellent. I am scared. Look how beautiful. What is that? Oh, there's a little fish down there. Nice.